Hello and welcome to CineSelect. If you are thinking about what to watch next, 2025 has already offered some of the finest Netflix originals we have seen in the recent year. No unnecessary drama or publicity, just the shows that truly deserve a place in the fans' discussion. Thus, if you had preferred to cut past all the chatter and skip right to the best stuff, let's dive into the finished Netflix series of 2025 so far. Number 10, Mercy for None. The narrative centers on Nam Gi-jun, an ex-gangster who left the underground and went in seclusion. However, he is forced to return to his former life after his younger brother Nam Jisoo mysteriously dies. In this 7-episode season, Gi-jun faces off against two warring criminal groups in Seoul, including crooked investigators and gang-linked teenagers caught in the middle. The show unfolds as a thrilling revenge epic that mixes devastating emotion with brutal violence, featuring vicious hand-to-hand combat, dark noir visuals, and a powerful ensemble that includes Hae-jin Ho, Kong Young, and others. While the plot lacks sufficient depth for its characters, the action-filled sequences are well executed and the overall feel is consistently strong. So if you want freshest gang drama with slick violent sequence and cold retribution arcs, Mercy for None is the must-see this year. Number 9. The Asset. It is a Danish crime thriller series that debuted globally on Netflix on October 27. It centers on Tile, an aspiring police trainee hired by Denmark's intelligence agency to investigate the inner workings of influential crime mastermind. Over the course of 6 episodes, the plot progresses as T pretends to be a jeweler to obtain information, but the more she delves into the criminal underworld, the more her objective identity and moral boundaries become hazy. The show thrives on the T's international tension, the confidential aspect of secret work, and the somber Nordic crime drama tone all contribute to the series' immense psychological effect. However, rather than reimagining the genre, it relies on well-known espionage thriller cliches and tropes. The Asset is a worthwhile addition to your watch list if you enjoy intelligent criminal dramas with a Nordic noir style. Number 8. Black Rabbit. It is an end-episode series featuring Jude Law as Jack Prakadin as co-owner of upscale NYC establishment and Jason Bateman as his wayward brother Win, whose return to the city sends Jake into a downward cycle of finance, crime, and treachery. Created by Jack Palin and Kat Sussman, the drama employs the restaurant Black Rabbit as a crucial setting for desire, family conflict, and the dark side of New York nightclubs. It is a binge-worthy selection for fans of character-centered crime drama with excellent leads, great production, and a harsh vibe. But some might feel that the story build-up is slower than the overall tone implies. Number 7. The Eternauts. It is an Argentine science fiction thriller directed by Bruno Stagnaro. The show follows Juan Salo and a handful of survivors in Buenos Aires following an unexpected toxic snowstorm that kills millions of people. As the city deteriorates, they learn about the real threat responsible for killing humans. The show is based on the classic 1957 Argentine graphic novel of the same name and has a somber tone, haunting visuals, and character-based survival stakes that keep the audience hooked. Yes, some of its subplots feel underdeveloped and its early episodes move slowly. Overall, it shines out as a solid non-English series with a second season already confirmed. The Eternauts is a must-watch if you enjoy dark apocalyptic tales with science fiction elements. Number 6 and 10. It is a 6-episode murder mystery that features special investigator Kylie Turner of the National Park Service, who is dispatched to Yosemite National Park following a woman's apparent untimely demise that quickly unveils deeper mysteries. There, he joins up with newbie officer Nia Vasquez to investigate a labyrinth of missing people, criminal activity, and grim wilderness revelations set against the magnificent background of the park. Number 5. The Leopard. It is a 6-episode limited adaptation of Giuseppe Tomasi de Lampedusa's classic book set in 1860 Sicily amid Italy's unification. The drama follows Don Fabrizio Cobra, the Prince of Salina, as his privileged life of wealth, custom, and authority crumbles beneath the siege of Garibaldi's army and increasing middle-class aspiration. Each episode combines lavish period detail, expensive Silesian vistas, and themes of heritage, decay, and reinvention. Number 4. Adolescence. It is a crime drama limited series about 13-year-old Jamie Miller, who is charged for killing of a classmate. The show presents the repercussions that spread across his loved ones, the school society, and the police officer working on the case. Co-created by Steven Graham and Jack Thorne, the 4-part series is filmed in one uninterrupted take per episode, increasing the story tension and intensity. With a superb cast, the drama delves into topics of teenage crime, male privilege, the effects of electronic media, and how regular families manage when everything falls apart. Number 3. The Residence. It is a bizarre comedy drama murder mystery from Sunderland. The story begins with the White House's great residence when the chief usher is discovered dead during a state party of Australia's Prime Minister. All of a sudden, a crazy detective inquiry takes place in a sealed-off mansion with 130 rooms and 157 suspects. The story combines stylish set pieces, crisp group performances, and a theme that shifts between light-hearted humor and somber mystery. Number 2. Department Q. In this 9-episode criminal thriller, Matthew Goodflesh decides Carl Moore, a talented detective assigned to head an underfunded cold case squad in Edinburgh. After a vicious MS paralyzes his class, ruins his career. Although the show follows well-known crime drama cliches and has a strong cast, a moody setting, and a deep emotional resonance. Number 1. American Primeval. It is a 6-part Western limited series set around the Utah Territory in 1857 during the Utah War and the infamous Mountain Meadows horror. The show follows a diverse array of individuals including Western Ranger Isaac Reed, refugee mother Sarah Rowell, and her child Devon as they cross a harsh, lawless area fraught with ideological turmoil, Native American rebellion, settlement objectives, and army brutality. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe to our channel to show more videos related to movies and series suggestions.